To reconcile a refund from a supplier in accounting software. Begin by recording the supplier refund. Create a credit note by navigating to the business menu, clicking on Bills to Pay, and selecting the New Credit Note option from the drop-down menu. Choose the relevant supplier. Adjust the credit note date if necessary, and enter the refund details, including the amount and any applicable text. Finalize the credit note by clicking the Approve button at the bottom of the screen. Next, record the refund payment by returning to the business menu, clicking on Bills to Pay, and opening the newly created credit note. Select the refund date and amount, and click on Add Refund. To reconcile the bank refund, go to the Accounting menu, select Bank Accounts, and choose the bank account where the refund was deposited. Click on the bank name. Then select the Reconcile option. On the Reconcile screen, locate the statement line for the refund, which can be done using the search bar. Once found, click on the Match option next to the statement, and a new screen will open. Search for the recorded credit note payment. Select it, and scroll down to click on the Reconcile option. By following these steps, the refund will be successfully reconciled in the accounting software.